Hey, it's Eran here. I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to get an ebook onto your WordPress website. So that could be used as a lead magnet. I'm going to use an ebook example of one of my clients who wrote a beautiful ebook right here. Still some things to fix to just make it a bit better, but overall done a really great job and so on. So anyway, just really good work on this one. But you can see, let me just show you. So when you log into your WordPress, you want to go to Media, okay? Now when you go to Media, you just click on Add New, and then you could select Files, or you can go to where it is, which is this one, move it, and then drop File right here, okay? So it will now add it. I'm not sure it worked. Let me just do it again. I'm going to add it right here. One second. Oh, there you go. It added it already. So here it is. Now, what you do is you click it, and you'll see the document preview. So this is the URL now, right? And you can just click the URL, and we can go to a Chrome, open incognito. Oops, incognito. Enter it, and you see here, WordPress content uploads, and then things I wished I knew, blah, blah, blah. Enter. And here it is on the WordPress. So when you use the lead magnet, you would then copy this, and let's say you are using get response, right? So let me just show you something. Let's just say you're using get response. Let me just switch back to my get response. I'll show you a couple of examples of how you use that to then load up somewhere. So you would go to Forms and Surveys, create form, list wizard, this one, and it will give you all the examples. So you would go to, say, free download, ask a question. Yeah, let's do free download. Download ebook for free, right? So let's just say we're going to go with that. So here's the form. Now you can click this or this, doesn't really matter, and then click this settings button. You want to rename it, right? So we'll call this test Audra, who's my client, and then you choose whichever email list you want it to go to, okay? So you want to have some sort of a list created in the first place, which I didn't show, but you want that. You can do a double opt-in, or you can not do a double opt-in, it's up to you. Which messages you want to add it on the cycle. You see these are the messages for this autoresponder. I've got a lot of messages for this one. Or you can choose something else. Doesn't really matter, really. Whatever is the right one for you, right? Now, choose a thank you page. So stay on the page means that they're just going to say stay on the page. Or it could be the default, which will be a thank you default right here. Or you could do a custom. And the custom will be this, right? It will be this PDF. Now you can do that, but I recommend you don't take it directly to the page, because then you won't be able to verify. Somebody could enter a fake email address, and you know, there's a way to eliminate that, but let's just say they enter a fake email address, then you won't be able to email them. So you would want to take them to a thank you page and say, good, your ebook is on the way, check your email, and so on, right? But that's what you would do. You would put it here if they're already subscribed, for example. Let's say they're already subscribed, then you're not necessarily going to tell them, go to your email, find this. Like, you can make it easier. You could just put it here right immediately, right? If they're not subscribed, then yeah, you could do a default option, right? And then the default option will be this page, whatever it is you want to choose, right? Or you can create some other page. Let's say you want to have a thank you webinar or a thank you video or something like that. So you can create another video on your WordPress website and upload it there. So it's like a thank you page. And then what you do is you put it as the custom link right here if you want to use, right? You can take them to a YouTube channel, whatever it is you want to do, okay? So I definitely recommend you take them somewhere, right? Or you can take them to a thank you page, right? And you can also do thanks, look for the confirmation email with your ebook, In the meantime, check this out, and you can have a link here as well, which is getting a bit ridiculous. There's too many clickings, but you can actually do that because you could see here you can actually do a link, right? So you could do that if you want. It's up to you, okay? But yeah, anyway, there you go. Hopefully that helps. Another thing you could do in terms of the thank you page and this form, what you would do, with GetResponse, there is a limit on how much you could do. So you can do all this, right? But let's just do save and publish for a moment, okay? You'll see there is an embed code, okay? So you want to take this embed code and you want to go to Sunny Landing Pages, okay? You want to create a new page, and then you want to open an empty canvas, and then you want to add an element. So add element and go to embed code, click this, enter the text, make it bigger, just so you will see it might be good, it might not be good. Click center, so it will go to the center, save, and let's do a preview of what it will look like. This looks like nothing happened, but actually let's look at the preview. Here you go. Perfect. Mobile upside down, or landscape, iPad, and desktop. Okay? So there you go. It's really, really, really simple using Sunny Landing Pages, and it will literally, all you do now is you just hit publish. Okay? There is a way to do HTML download a WordPress. I have not actually used these two, so you can try and play around with it. What I do is I click domain, and I have my subdomain connected, right? So I have my subdomain connected, right? So here's my subdomains. I just add a domain, and then I just write bridge, which is my subdomain, eranbucai.com, and here you go, Audra ebook. Okay, I click continue. Here's a tutorial on how to connect this domain to your WordPress domain, your hosting. I've already done that, so I just click publish. And here it is. There you go. It's as simple as that. So I hope that helps. Go ahead and do that. This is, I'm not sure if there's a way to, there's probably a way to change this. Let's see if we can edit the name or the URL. Maybe there's a way to do it, maybe not. I'm not actually sure. I'm pretty sure whatever you upload it as, you will have that name. Oh, there you go. You can change the name if you want. Changing the name. Let's see if that works. No, doesn't change it. Whatever you upload it as, right? Whatever you upload it as, expect it to be that particular name. Okay, so just make sure when you upload it, you've chosen the name that you want. Maybe there's a way to change it. I'm not sure, but anyway, hope that helps. Okay, thanks a lot, and we'll speak soon.